Is price action important when trading Forex? Yes it is, and let me show you. This is the monthly time frame. As you can see, by knowing price action, you know that there's a downtrend over here, right? 1, 2, nearly 3 touches confirms the downtrend. We see an area of support over here. Area of support means when the market consolidates in an area, so it bounces off. As you can see, 1, 2, 3 touches, bounced off, bounced off, bounced off, bounced off. It means it's a good area of sensitivity or good area of support, in this case on the GBPUSD currency pair monthly time frame. Let's go to the weekly. So as we see, this is the weekly time frame. The red rectangle that you saw is the support. Obviously the support was broken on the weekly, as you can see, with the downtrend. This confirmed that the bears are in the market. As you can see, it had an exhaustion over here, then it dropped back down, then it went back up, had exhaustion to the previous area of sensitivity and went back up. Obviously was stopped out by the monthly time frame. As you can see over here, the red rectangle to the monthly resistance was stopped out, went back down. But what can we see over here? It's currently consolidating, but obviously it's also trending towards the downside on the monthly time frame. So generally on the longer term time frames, especially when the market reclines till this level or this level, or especially around this level, because this is the monthly area of resistance, monthly area of trend line support, this would be a good time to enter over here and then drop back down to the previous area of sensitivity, which is the support, the weekly support that I have marked in the yellow rectangle. So when you analyze everything that you want on the GBPUSD currency pair, monthly, weekly, you go back to the daily. The daily time frame is quite important because it shows a lot more candlesticks, right? Obviously the weekly candlestick has 5 daily candlesticks because the Forex markets obviously work Monday to Friday, so it's gonna have different 5 candlesticks. So there we go, we have a lot more information now on the daily time frame. What do we see? We see this nice downtrend, as you can see, going down, respecting these levels multiple times, had the touch over here, but then it found area of sensitivity which is marked already and dropped back down. It dropped so hard that it actually broke out this area of support on the weekly time frame. We knew that this support will get respected probably yet again. This was due to fundamental news such as coronavirus and all that. That's why this drop happened, because of the fundamental crisis that caused the currency pairs to drop. That's expected. We knew it's gonna probably have a correction, so it did. As you can see, the correction happened, started trending and also respecting the moving averages. So what can you do? What do we see now? Look where my trade is currently. We see this downtrend, we see this uptrend, right? I haven't spoken about it, but look, there's an uptrend, 1, 2, 3 touches. After the third touch, it confirms a nice uptrend. I always tell you guys, it's also a nice bullish engulfing candle. So what else are we seeing on this daily time frame that's super important? It broke out this area of downtrend. As you can see, it was respected multiple times over here, but look at this blue candlestick. This blue candlestick is above the trend line, the downtrend resistance that we had. So once it's broken, where is the next area of sensitivity? Obviously it's over here. Look, it was respected multiple times, 1 touch, 2 touches. It's probably gonna go towards the upside and touch this area one more time before maybe going back down or continuing this break towards the upside, and then maybe area of resistance will be somewhere around this level, the 129 or maybe even 1.3000 level, since it's a very strong psychological level. So what can we do with this information? Well, it's simple. We're gonna go on the 4-hourly time frame because there's more candlesticks. We need more information. The daily doesn't give us justice, at least not yet. So what do we see? We just placed this trade on our VAP trading signals group. I just sent it. It's already moving towards the upside. Very nice. Let me just check the price range. Currently in around 15. Oh, it's going towards the upside, around 18 pips profit. Very nice indeed. But why is this trade so good? Well, we know it's an area of sensitivity here, right? On the 4-hourly, as you saw, on the daily was the resistance. This is the 4-hourly. This is the same 2 peaks that we had. So these 2 peaks obviously show that there's strong resistance over here. But has this resistance been reached? No, which means that he has to reach it before turning back towards the downside. If it shoots towards the upside, that's why I have this trade over here. As you can see, it shoots towards the upside. It's probably gonna have a pullback, or it's gonna turn around. I don't know, but it's probably gonna do that and then gonna go towards the upside. If it breaks this area of yellow rectangle that I have marked, the previous area of resistance, it will definitely shoot towards the upside even more till at least this level or this level, to 128, to 129, to 1300 level of resistance. And that's why it's important to understand price action. Without price action and just using indicators, you will never be a profitable trader. Well, maybe you can be a profitable trader, I don't know, but it helps to know price action. It helps to know when it's a bearish or a bullish engulfing candle. Let's just have a look on the, let's say, 30 minutes. Although we had this red candlestick, as you can see, it's a bearish engulfing candle, shows bear pressure. It's only on the 30-minute time frame. 30-minute time frame, anything can happen. It's too low of a time frame. The data doesn't really give much justice for what's gonna happen with the currency pair. That's why when I saw something in regards to this, I saw this candlestick and this blue candlestick, which is a nice candlestick swallowing the previous candlestick. It's a bullish engulfing candle, which shows that the bullish pressure is there. It's also trending towards the upside. 1, 2, 3 touches. It shows that the bulls are in the market. It will probably, more than likely, shoot towards the upside, retesting this area of resistance, and then I don't know what will happen. It will either break towards the upside or recline back, but this is where, you know, around where our take profit 1 is, take profit 2 levels around this yellow zone, and then if it breaks this area of resistance, then we are shooting towards the upside and then trailing our stop loss level to make as much pips as we can and maximize the profit. So I hope you understand this. Hope you found this helpful. This is price action trading. Obviously psychological levels as well, when it's like zeros, 12500 or like 12600, these levels are also important. So very likely it's gonna struggle somewhere here. It's very likely if it struggles, it can struggle here. So if it reclines, the moving averages will be here. It might shoot back up as well. So these are some things you might want to have a look out for. Anyway, if you want to join my VIP trading signals, you're more than welcome to. It will be the first link down in the description below. If not, then peace out. Have a wonderful day. Stay safe and goodbye.